So hindi ko nakunan yung pag ano, so sobrang excited ko, nakalimutan ko. And welcome to the Marriott Charity Golf Tournament 2024 here at Villamore Golf Course. So at this time, handa na po yung mga caddies para sa kanilang mga assigned players.
Ayan o, Patricia.
So ang aming starter po ay si Richard Robles and assisted by our Marshal Lothar Pactolerin. Ang ibang mga players po, tapos na siguro sila mag-breakfast. So nagbaba na po sila.
Morning.
Ano sir?
Welcome to the court.
Kanina yan sir. So nagbaba na po yung ibang mga players. So dahil shotgun po ito, nagbaba na yung ibang mga players. Ang umpisa po dyan ay ceremonial tee-off. At andito na po, kasabay na po nila ang aking player na si Mr. Lee Sangwon. Dahil maulan po nung gabi, ang ka-flight po namin nadulas. November 7, Sir Vince Hison. So, magkaroon po ng shotgun, ay magkaroon po ng ceremonial ball. Tee-off. Sir Jeff. Siyempre, sir, ikaw. So, nakapaligid po yung kanilang mga official photographer. Yung mga kadi, nagpakabang na po for ball, ceremonial ball.
So we'll have thank you very much. You all have your right? So we just have a few announcements. Okay? So for today we're playing a two-man scramble. Who knows the rules for two-man scramble? It's like all the players team up and your teammates. So there's two of you as a team. You have to choose which one is plays better. Right? So you're in the better position of the fairway. You have to choose from there. And then two players. I don't want to point fingers. You can be off from the red piece if you want to.
Wow!
Alright?
Seniors are, you guys know who you are. We need to be off from the red piece. Alright? But, as for seniors, if you be off from the red piece, you have to wear a skirt. Just kidding, just kidding. Alright. What next? Okay. You guys have to pull the guns. You can use it anywhere. You can use it in front, people in the front, or in the back. As long as you have two per person, except Patrick. Alright? Is that clear? So now we proceed to one of the favorite portions of the program is we will have the ceremonial draw.
Yeah.
First off, and all the players coming from Marriott Square. Mr. Brian Shin.
Brian, good luck, buddy. Nice.
the chief golf operations of Villamor Golf Club, Second Lieutenant Patrick Millar.
Nako, kuha nila.
Amazing shot, sir.
And last but not least, let's give a round of applause for our host for today, Mr. Bruce Whitman. We need the ladies in the
No pressure. No pressure. Nice practice. Yeah, that's where it ends. All right. Thank you very much.
Sir, picture taking na all players. Phone number 8, sir. Ito, sir. Sir, Danny. Ayun, nauna na.
Tatlo yung isa lang yung T1. Number 8. Yeah. So you have Edmundo Barrios. Okay, from Saudi.
Sir, may buntag.
So, group picture.
Thank you very much. You can proceed to your respective roles. And once the fireworks go, you can go. Thank you very much.
So, aalis na po sila. Pupunta na po sila sa kanilang mga designated halls. Sir, YouTube ko to Buhay Golf Caddy.
Nakabang na nga yung gusto kanina.
Sabi ko la ko, di ako maka-video, ay maka-ano live.
Maka-reels. Morning po.
Wala ko.
We are two. Put again. What is that? We are two. Braces.
Ayan na, so start na po. Shotgun. Sa our flight,
1, 2, 3.
flight B.
1, 2, 3.
Nakalino yung player ko. Tingnan mo guys, so hindi ko nakunan yung pag so sobrang excited ko. Nakalimutan ko.
Punta ka dito.
Yan oh. Oh, it's my fifth. Panglima ko na to, yung player ko nakahulin. Woohoo! Yes!
Yes!
Ang ganda! Pitching! Woo! Sir Dennis! Sir Dennis! Yes! All in one!
You are champion, you're all in one.
Woo! My boss, Mr. Dennis Lee!
Ang galing ng bola niya, pag sabi na
Oo nga eh.
nakahulin one talagang hinik. Nakahulin one yung player natin, Jacob Light namin. Ang galing.
Hinigop!
Kasi, tindali, magpunta kayo dito.
Hinigop
para
ng
maano
bola. Ano oras na?
Andito na, 820.
820. Guys, panglima ko na to, naka-lane 1 player ko. Woo! Sir, pitching only! Pitching! Yeah! Congrats! I'm very happy, sir. Uy, yung cellphone ko nandun sa bag yung isa.
Ano?
Sir, your cellphone here in my pocket. Yes.
Ano daw?
Sayang, hindi ko nakuhanan yung pag-tamp. Yeah, hawak mo.
Champion na yan.
Champion na! Champion!
Champion!
Woo! Ah, wait lang. Sir, you pick up the ball. Picture. Uy, hole in one yung player.
Boss, boss, wait.
Pele, pele.
Sabayan mo na lang, Bal. Sabayan mo.
Mr. Songwon Lee, hole in one, hole number 17, using pitching. Ooh.
Champion.
Yeah, basta.
First time in his life.
Uy, picture kami ng grupo.
Ang ginamit niya pitching. 110 yards.
110.
Ball, Saint
110 yards, hole number 17, pitching. Ball Saint 9. AA.
Oh, draw picture.
Ay, lang. Oh, alam mo na yan.
Alam mo na yan, mamaya. Score natin to. Kadi Master. Napapicture na yung dalawang Kadi Master.
palo niya.
Oh, di ba? Ayan, ang dami. All in one, ang dami, alalay. So, ayan guys, oh.
Nasuhulan?
Sa
Yung
Kadim.
Master nasuhulan. Nasuhulan yung
Dali
Kadi
na,
Master.
tip.
Nasuhulan yung Kadi
Tip lang ka di Master yan at saka ng Marshall.
Hindi, nasuhulan.
Same time. Andito, Bal. Andito. Pipill up na po si Sir ng form for hole in one.
Okay, thank you.
And for the witnesses, players assisted by Val Lucero.